Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Today we will talk about one secret of making beautiful sound on cello. And this is a secret about paying attention to somewhat unexpected or misunderstood parts of cello technique. You might have been playing cello for a while, and if you noticed that sometimes there is a big difference between the way you play on open strings compared to the way you play when you use one or other of your fingers, then this is video for you. And right away I will show you the example of what might happen. It seemed to be that I did everything right. I thought about bow angle, used proper bow speed, my bow didn't move that much between the bridge and the fingerboard, yet I made this squeaky and extremely unclear sound when I started using my left hand. Let's talk about the difference between when you have to play on open strings and when you have to play notes using your left hand. When you play on the open string, there are 2 points which limit the length of the string, the vibrating part of the string. One is the bridge, and another is a nut. The bridge made of maple, and the nut, this little part here, is made of ebony. And there is a lot of pressure between the string and that part of the wood on both ends. You can clearly hear vibration of the string, and there are so many overtones, the partial sounds we can enjoy, which make this sound very beautiful and complex. There is no way your finger can compete in strength with the ebony part, a nut. However, we often feel suggestion to avoid pressing on the string. We train ourselves to keep fingers round in most of the positions, and we feel that's enough. But it turns out that even slightly less pressure on the string than required provides this unclear sound. If the string is not in full contact with the fingerboard, we mostly hear partial sounds, and not even all of them. This is why it sounds like proper pitch, but lacks depth and beauty. In order to fix that, I would suggest you to make an experiment. You start playing with fairly relaxed left hand. Let's say avoid much of the pressure, and you play the same note several times. And if you hear sound like this, then try to put more energy. Yes, press harder. Then you do it a little bit more, and you might hear something like that. Little bit more depth, then perhaps try a little bit harder, be more active, slightly lift your elbow to help your finger with the weight of your left hand, and it might sound like this. Once you hear the sound you like, that means you work hard enough. Yes, any more pressure will be wasted and might damage your fingers, or they will be too painful to play. But you have to be very active with your fingers. That's why if you look at the fingers of cellist who is playing for years and years, most likely you will see fingers to be somewhat squished. And definitely there should be grooves on your fingers. No worries, if you stop playing cello, fairly soon those grooves will fade away and your fingers will be nice and smooth again. The most useful exercise would be playing on any given string, even in the first position, going from one note to another, and then comparing to the sound of the open string. I will show you the exercise on the D string. When I played every note with the left hand, I tried to compare the sound I made to the sound which I heard when I played the open string. And if it sounds close enough, full, deep sound, that means you are doing it right. And of course, it's just a little part of the beautiful sound making technique. There's a lot about using the right hand, but again, left hand matters too. Let me know what you think about this advice or how it compares to your teacher's advice. I would be very interested to hear your opinions about that. Until next, see you soon.